Hi, my name is Branton Sarrow. I'm ISSA's Senior Director of Education, Training, Certification, and Standards. We know how costly it can be to attract or even retain employees at your organization. We also know that the average employee costs about $10,000 to onboard them as a new hire. And that's why ISSA has partnered with the Manufacturer Rep Council of ISSA to create the ISSA Sales Executive Certification course. We want to help you onboard, retain, and train sales reps that are ultimately going to be the future of your organization. We identified some key components of the certification course that it will be instrumental to the growth of your team. First, we know the importance that every single sales rep understands the fundamentals of cleaning. Number two, we want your sales reps to help their customers with labor. It is the #1 challenge in our market today, and through a workloading workshop, we know that they can identify the problem and help be the solution. Infectious disease control is the third component of the Certified Sales Executive course. Number four, we want to help them become consultants in the field and understand how to perform a building audit and what to do with that data and the suggestions that they need to make for product solutions. Next, we want to provide them with the framework of how every cleaning organization needs to run a successful operation with the SIMS Expert program. And finally, we want them to go through our full-blown sales course that is online, self-paced, and it'll help them with things such as negotiation skills and closing skills. At the conclusion of all of these courses, each sales rep will earn a certification for every single component. And over the course of 1 calendar year, these individuals will become the ISSA Sales Executive Certified Professionals for the industry.